toward the brighter side.
Because we're on a healthy food kick and because we're talking about rare disease in healthy food, we got to understand with rare disease, out of the 1 in 10, out of the 7,000, 80% of all rare disease has a faulty genetic component to it. So, just like it says, right here, 80% of all genetic components to rare disease are with family. So it's passed on. And you're wondering, well, how can food stop something that's passing on? No, it can control it. It's not, if you inherit something, you inherit something. But you can put it in control with the type of foods you eat. First off, stop eating processed food. If it comes in a box, if it has more than 5 ingredients, seriously reconsider. Seriously reconsider. And what you want to do is add things that you don't have to go paleo. You don't have to go all vegan. Just go proper, right, healthy. There are a lot of people in Hawaii doing co-ops as far as agriculture. There's a lot of good farmers markets out there. Make sure you talk to them, ask them how it's grown, what kind of fertilizer they're using. Get to know your local farmer, and especially at the farmers markets. And so there's all different kinds of healthy foods that can help you. Like if you go with the grains, a good healthy grain is way better than a starchy grain like rice. White rice creates more starch, can cause diabetes with that starch because the starch builds sugar and causes an explosion of insulin, or it could do the reverse, a lack of. And if you get a healthier rice, like you can go hapa if you like, because that's better than nothing, but you should prefer brown rice. But brown rice, so bland, so boring, you know. How do you spice it up? How do you make it taste better? Blend it, mix it, give it some soul. And I do that by showing you a quick, easy recipe on spicing up brown rice, but not with spices, but with other grains. Let's check out the video and see how I dress up some brown rice and make it a little more healthy, a little more fun, a little more edible. Let's take a look. Aloha, this is Skye's Healthy Cooking, and we're going to do today a take on brown rice with a new twist. We're going to do a 3 blend of a cup of brown rice, a half a cup of millet, and 1/3 cup of yellow split pea. You can use green split pea, or you can get something else that you like to blend in. It doesn't matter. And what we're going to do is, and we got some water. We're going to put that in there. And add the melon. Make sure you wash your hands. And blend it in. Yeah. Okay, and we're going to add, for every cup of rice, you put 2 cups of water. So we added another half and 1/3. So we're going to go with 3 cups of water. That way we can have extra to make sure that it's good and fluffy. And we're going to put the top on. And we're going to cook it for 45 minutes or until it's done. There we go. See you soon. Alrighty then. Let's check out the rice, see what we got. We're all done. Ooh, that looks very good. It's nice, it's fluffy. The millet and the split pea blended very awesome. And just the right amount of water gave us Aussie fluffiness. Yeah. Look how that breaks up in there. That is good stuff. Now, if you want to add a little more to spice up your rice and give it a new twist and taste, we can add different things. Make it fun. We have lime and tomatoes. We have a nice lettuce blend. You can always take your rice, put it in the bowl first, and then lay the rice on top. And we also have fresh mushrooms and purple onions. Yeah, those red onions. I like to call them purple though. You can add that, and when you do, put no more than about 2 tabs of butter into your rice per cup of rice, mainly 2 cups. Use 1 tab per cup, don't overdo it. You don't want your cholesterol too high. And make sure it's organic. And if you can get non-dairy, do it. So, I like almond milk. If you wanted to do this blend for a breakfast treat, bam, there you go. That with a little cinnamon, perfect. Okay, now you're wondering, why no soyu? Why no soy sauce? Too much salt, even if it's low sodium. We'll try to find a new blend for that later. But if you want to use something like that, I prefer that you get deep dark oil and olive oil and try to use that, because we just don't want a lot of salt in your diet. We want you to stay healthy. So this is our healthy blend. I'm glad you checked it out. How did you enjoy that? Was that good? Yeah, it was. You never thought of putting split pea or mullet into brown rice. Try it sometimes. It'll add to the flavor and add to the taste. And that is one of our healthy recipes for you, and I look forward to doing more. If you want to check out more of my healthy recipes or food reviews, you can go to Skye's Healthy Food Reviews on YouTube. I got plenty of good videos. I did a review for exotic potato chips, organic, and I also did another recipe for organic mashed potatoes. I made a mashed potato cheese casserole. Ooh. And I also have a review about Dave's Killer Bread. Is it really killer? Look at Skye's Healthy Food Reviews on YouTube and find out. And that's a lot of good information on healthy food for you today. Want to know about more recipes? Contact me at immunityln.wellness@gmail.com. You can donate if you care to. Just contact me on the email. So remember, for good juicing recipes for your immunity and wellness, go to Immunity and Wellness Recipes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for choosing. Peace.